heading south towards Mount Syria, located in the Peloponnese. There's a frozen lake that we're going to explore right here, and then we're just going to drive across the mountain, go south, and explore a second lake called Lake Doxa, not far away from the mountain. Then we're gonna go up again and end our trip with a bit of skiing on a ski resort located on Mount Syria.
Alright, so we finally made it. It was really difficult to reach this place. My friend Ian has helped me a lot with the tread roads down there because it was a lot of snow. Unfortunately, we didn't film it because it was a pretty sticky situation. And now we're just preparing a fire. We've got the firewood here. And we're about to get ready for the night. This place just looks absolutely amazing. There's a frozen lake down there. Okay, here we are. Let's see what we'll be able to do this time. The previous time we went camping to try to light up a fire, it was a complete disaster. But now we've got plenty of firewood with us back home. It's gonna be such a pity because we're not gonna be able to cook on the fire. Because as always, I forgot something. I forgot my grill. So we're just gonna go cooking on gas. But we're gonna use this as a source of heat. Finally come. Let's cook something to eat. What I'm planning to cook is 2 steaks with teriyaki sauce and rice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some teriyaki here. Okay. Now, just gonna light the fire here. Waiting time now. Looking nice, eh?
Yeah, mate.
Looking good so far. I just don't want to overcook it. And then we're gonna pair it with a bit of rice that I have pre-cooked from home. I just reckon they're gonna be absolutely amazing.
In all honesty, this might have just been the coldest night I've spent camping. It was pretty nice though. We managed to keep the fire going for about 4 hours until we finally ran out of firewood, and then we basically just had to climb up the tent and sleep. But it was already something like I don't know, 11:30. So it was okay. Now I just woke up and everything is covered with ice around the disco, and we have this amazing view behind us. And how great is that, right? Got a frozen lake here and a mountain right back there. We camped somewhere there. Now I'm thinking I should go make some breakfast and a hot coffee and enjoy this view. Floating lights, so amazing. By the way, Jonas here, it's actually the first time that he went camping with a rooftop tent. So how do you find it, mate?
Yeah, so actually I cannot even compare it to regular tents in terms of comfort.
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah, being above the ground, you don't have like, you have a lot of space, it's flat,
Yeah.
you don't have like the ground's rocks or something on your back.
Yeah, right. It's much,
Yeah.
yeah. You just have to level the vehicle and then you're
Yeah,
good to go.
that's a game changer, definitely.
Yeah, and the temperature was okay. It was bearable, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, even outside I think it was like -5 or 7.
Yeah, something like that.
On that
Yeah.
side we were pretty warm inside.
Yeah, we did have sleeping bags, though, obviously.
Mhm.
But yeah, we didn't need any sort of diesel heater or anything. It was okay.
Yeah. But as a first experience, I mean, I'm very pleased.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was great.
yeah, it's really good. We did have a bit of moisture in the morning in the walls of the tent, though.
Mm.
But we camped right beside the lake.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah.
I mean, only if we had an air purifier.
Yeah.
it was about time to start heading south towards the second lake, where hopefully temperatures should be a bit higher.
Started out nice. We were about to get booked, but I decided to drop the tire pressure so that we can keep going. Our plan is to go down there.
Although we only camped for one night by this small yet amazing lake, it was really worth it. This trip just had it all, from off-roading, camping, nice food, to a frozen lake and lots of wildlife around. So to complete this adventure, it was now about time to continue.